creamy matcha latte. It's all the rage at the cafes at the moment, and you can change up the base. So sometimes you can serve it with a strawberry base, but I'm going to make it with a banana smoothie base, and it is absolutely delicious. So let's start with the banana smoothie. I'm using frozen bananas. It's fantastic to have on standby when you want to make any type of smoothie like this. Also great to have on standby if you want to make a banana cake. So in it goes. About 1 cup of the bananas. To this, I'm going to add some soy milk, but you could use almond milk if you like, any type of milk of your choice. And for a really nice molasses flavour, I like to add some maple syrup. You could also have some honey in this, and a pinch of cinnamon, just a tiny bit. So, lid goes on, and we'll blend this. Okay, I'm really happy with the consistency of this. Let's have a look how thick it is. Look at that, just right, silky smooth, delicious as is, but it tastes so good with the matcha tea. So in a jug, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of matcha tea. Matcha tea is green tea leaves that have been crushed into a powder, so you don't need to steep this tea for long. In actual fact, you just whisk it through with some hot water and it's ready to go. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of water. Start with a little bit, whisk, and then we'll continue to add that. And look at that vibrant green colour. Fantastic. So I'm just going to keep whisking that. I'm also going to add some ice to cool it down quickly. And we are ready to assemble. So we'll start with our thick banana smoothie into our glass. We want to fill it about half of the way up. And this is going to sweeten our matcha tea too. To that, I'm going to add some more ice cubes, just 1 or 2, and then we can top it with our matcha tea. There we go. And the whole idea is to get in there with your straw, give it a mix. You can see how it marbles together. It's almost like one of those traditional spiders where you usually have ice cream on the bottom and then a soda drink, but this is actually very good for you. Ooh, it's really nice too. You can taste the banana. If you want a refreshing drink that's a little bit different to the norm, try this out. Works a treat.